Hey, it's Jeremy here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start your small business in 10 minutes or less. So I don't know if you know this all-in-one tool. It's great if you're starting out because I know a lot of small businesses have so many ideas and we just wanna start and get out there. For example, I have my sister-in-law. She wants to start her interior design business, and sometimes she gets stuck. She doesn't know where to start. She doesn't know, where to go to logo, how to do graphics, how to set up her prices and emails and all that stuff. So, I tend to give her some examples, and one of the cool tools is actually called Tailor Brands. So if you jump onto tailorbrands.com, you can actually check it out. I will put a link in the description below. You do get 50% off. You can use my code JeremyMura50 and you can get 50% off their plans, which is awesome. So here's the front page. You can use it for social media graphics. You can set up an email, a website. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. So let's just first jump onto tailorbrands.com. I'm going to put in my logo name here. So I imagine myself starting like a coffee brand. I'm going to call it Mura's, something like that. Add a tagline, fresh cuppa every morning. I'm going to click start for free. Now, what it's going to do is take me to the logo wizard. This allows me to create a logo very fast. So I'm going to select, is my business a services business, hospitality, physical goods, etc. I'm going to click hospitality because it's food. And then I'm going to enter the industry. I'm going to call it coffee roaster. And you can see it's already giving me some answers there. So I call it coffee shop. I want to click next. You can also put some little details there as well. I'm going to go name-based brand. So I'm going to click on that. Now we've got some options here. I think I want to go with texture, maybe make it retro and masculine. And it's going to add these traits to the logo. And basically it will automatically generate a logo based on the preferences you selected. And it's really quick, less than 2 minutes. And what I can actually do is actually customize it if I want, or if I like it, I can leave it as is. Now, once that logo has finished loading, you can see on my left-hand side, I can scroll and actually choose a different logo. So maybe I'm digging this blue one instead, or maybe I want to scroll down, and it gives you some preconceived ideas, which is great if you're just starting out a business and want to make it really cool. I like this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it. And for me, I can always edit the fonts, the styles, the logos, even the color. So maybe I want to add a bit of a color palette. It's got some suggested color palettes here. So I'm going to click on this brown gold one because I love that type of color vibe. And you can see here the yellow there. I might just get rid of the yellow and make that black. Now I can also play around with different shapes, as you can see here. So maybe I like the filled version better, or the simple shape there. I think I'm going to go with this one here. Cool, I love that. I'm going to go top right and click finish. You can also save it as well. And I'm going to click unfinished. And now it's going to load up the Tailor Brands Studio, which is also the dashboard as well. So I can click start exploring. And now basically you have everything you need here to start your business. So you got your logo now. Now what you can do is actually create a domain. You can create your email. You can create a digital business card. You can go on to create your website. You can also prepare to meet your customers by creating swag or social media graphics or other little elements that you need. So if I go up the top here, you can see I can download my logo. So I can click download, and you can see you need to upgrade your plan. So that's where you can use my code to upgrade to the top plan. I can click on domain here as well. So I can click find my domain, Mura, click the search button, and there you have it, best match. So you can see it will actually automatically find some available domains. So I can select this, and it's going to take me to pay for the domain. You can see here I can select 1 year or 5 years, whatever you want. The prices will vary. And right then and there, I can just pay for my domain and connect to my account super easy. Obviously, I'm not going to do that now because I already have my other websites ready to go. You can also do your website. So I'm just going to follow the prompts. I like how it gives you this checklist to take care of. So get the domain. I can click on business email. I can open, and it connects straight into Gmail here. So, once you connect the domain, connect it straight to an email. I'm just going to go back here as well. And then we can set up a digital business card as well. It will give you some information, and you can click create my card. And you can see here, we can use it as a template. I'm going to click create my own. And we got some options here. I like the versatility of this tool because, you want to tailor it towards your brand, right? So for example, maybe I want this brown color or even this goldy color. I think that's really nice, as you can see. So I can turn my logo off or on, which is cool. And I can also add an image. So what I'm going to do is add a coffee image. I'll go to Unsplash real quick. And I'm gonna click add image, and what I can actually do is upload my own image by clicking the upload button. Go to downloads, and I'm just gonna load that coffee image right in there. And now in my background, you can see we've got some nice coffee beans, which is really cool. Another cool thing is I can view it on desktop as well and see how it's gonna look like. Really awesome. Once I'm happy with it, I'll just click next. I can put Mura, CEO of Mura's Coffee Roastery of Arabica Coffee Roast. All right, there we go. And then you can see it's updating the information live on the right side. I'm gonna click next. I can also, add a phone, add an email, add my Instagram. So I can go at the Mura for my Instagram. I can add a website, I can add an email, I can add a phone number if I want. And you can see, or add those little links down the bottom there. So then when you send the link to someone, they can just click on it and it's gonna load your social media accounts or your phone, etc. And it'll take you straight to those links, which I think is really handy. Once you're done, you can click publish your card. And then obviously you need to upgrade your plan to actually be able to publish stuff. So picking up back to the studio. Now I just showed you how to do the full identity section. Now we can move on to, creating our own website. So I love this bit because it gives us like a template we can play around with. So I'm gonna click on website. You can also click website on the left-hand side as well. Now, what I like to do is I like to create using the automatic website builder because it's fast and you can get it done in a few minutes instead of stressing too much down the road on how to get it done. All right, so what I can actually do is I've got my sections on the left-hand side. So I can click on a section and it will add it to my website. So I can have an about page, testimonial page, and maybe a gallery of the shop I want to have there. Okay, so I can click next. Once I've done that, I can select my style. So I can click the first one, or maybe I want like calm style. It will change the design of my website to fit that style, right? I like that one, so I'm gonna click create site. Cool, I've got my website here ready to go. Now what I can do is actually edit each section, and within each section, if I click on the top left, it will take me to the header, as you can see. For example, I click on the header and it will take me to the header text. I can actually update the background, so maybe I want to update some more backgrounds here. Now what I can actually do is I can use the inbuilt images here if I want, so I can click load more. I'm going to type in coffee here. And you can see it's going to source some images for me. So maybe I like one of these images. Maybe I like this one with a love heart. Just think that's really simple. I'll change the button, the text of the button. Buy coffee, that image should update. I'll click apply changes. And now it will update the site live right there. And you can see I can go to the about section. And maybe I've already got some text I can copy in there. Or I can literally just type in, we love coffee. We grew up in Italy drinking espresso and I love coffee. Never stopped. And then the about section can say our story and then click apply changes. And I just love how it, shows this data, the updates really, really easily there. Now I'll go back and now I'll go to my gallery here. All I got to do is scroll on the left-hand side and I can literally just delete these images, right? So I can say, are you sure you want to remove it? And I can say, yes, remove it. So you can actually delete the images or add images into the gallery. You can see, I like how when you type in the search bar here, it's actually gonna give you coffee images, which I think is pretty cool. So I can also upload my own images as well. So I'm gonna add some more images and click apply, and the gallery should update there in a simple fashion. And there we go, I've got some 2 images from the gallery. I can click on it and it's gonna highlight these images. I think that's really cool. Awesome. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change a few more things now. So I can go down to the testimonials. I think I will leave that there, but I can obviously change the options. I could click style. So if I want to change the styling. So if we don't like the calm style, maybe we got bored of it, we can change it to vibrant, and I can click on apply changes. And it'll keep all our images, but it'll just change the colors. It will change the fonts as well if you're not digging that other style. So you can see here, we got the red color there. And I think that is pretty dope. And I can publish it if I'm ready. But we can see everything is working on the site. I can obviously change this information here. But that's just a quick way on how you can actually build out the site, which I think is really cool. You've also got SEO and you can do advanced editing as well. Now, what if we want to go back? I can just click the top left, click on Tailor Brands Studio. And then you can see it's going to always prompt me and tell me that I need to publish my site. I can edit the site, get my domain, and so forth. If I want to do some graphic design, I'm going to go to click on the left section, click on the graphic design, and we can see we can actually create some banners, some ads, even stuff for like Instagram or Facebook. So once I click on that, it's going to load up the wizard once again, and it's going to calculate everything for me using the assets and logos and stuff like that. And obviously I can choose a theme where it's vibrant or deep. Maybe I want like inspiration. And we can see I click that, it should update all this stuff there. Cool, I think that's really dope. I'm gonna click next, and then I'm gonna click on, we'll stick with the retro theme because I clicked retro at the start. I'll click that and it's gonna update that. Congrats, you have your very own brand theme. Now, for example, if I want to do an Instagram story, I can actually go click on one of these images and it's going to give me some control over the elements and the editability of it. So it should load up there, and you can see we have templates. All our templates are here based on the theme we picked. Now what I can do is maybe we have, we have something we need to upgrade for some of those better templates for the exclusive ones, but maybe we want, let's find a free one here. Let's pick this one here. I'm gonna click replace. You can see we've got these elements here. I can, scale some of the images down. I can move them around, and you can see it's in a mask. And I can change the text. Opening soon. And then I can put the number there or something like that. Or I can put the date. Let's just go. I can click the text there. Maybe you want to change the text. Opening soon. 15, 12, 21. And I can change the center align. I click the top left. Bring that into the center there. Like that. That's really cool. I can change the color here. Maybe, no, I don't want I want maybe the brownie color. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And what else? I can change the background. Can maybe select, maybe if I want this one, you can see that will swap out very fast. I can even change the photo as well. So maybe I'll change the photo there or add that in. Maybe put like a coffee one like this. And I can click delete on the other one like that. Cool, I think that's pretty cool. And what if I want to add my logo? You can see you can upgrade and you can add your white, black or colored logo there. And I think that's cool. What I can do is just download that. I can also save it, and it will save that design into a JPEG for me. Now, when I go to open that, it's ready for me to upload on social media to Instagram. So that's how you use Tailor Brands. It's got so many tools in it. It's a one-stop shop, and it's just great for small business who want to launch their brand very fast, very efficient. You've got ideas, but you just need to execute. And this is a tool that allows you to execute. And I just love how it's free to use and to start off with, and then you can obviously invest in all the other elements as well. So thanks so much for watching. Remember, you do get 50% off with my code. I'll put the link in the description. It's JeremyMura50, and you can put that in, get 50% off their plans. Really affordable and super nice of them to have given me that. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of content, when I share some interesting and useful tools, then let me know in the comments below. Drop a comment and let's have a chat about it. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for more design content every week. I'll chat to you next time.